Sit down. Thank you.
What it do, TL Records and BBK TV, man. I'm here with another video. And check this out. Today we are heading to Florida, West Palm Beach, all the way from Texas, driving from Dallas, Texas to West Palm Beach, Florida. And we have to whelp puppies, man. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to be feeding puppies and doing all that, taking care of them while we on the road in the car. You feel me? I'm all the way here in the back. Shout out to Mitsubishi, man. You know what I'm saying? Can do it all in the Mitsubishi, man. I done got a dog pregnant in the Mitsubishi. I'm whooping litters in the Mitsubishi. I done drove hours and got 28 hours and got dogs and brought them back in the Mitsubishi, man. Hey, Mitsubishi is a nice little solid car, man. Mitsubishi Outlander, man. Real talk. We can get everything up in this motherfucker. The next person get it, they ain't even gonna know what all done happened up in this thing, man. You know what I'm talking about? Right here is the doggy mobile, man. This is the doggy mobile, dog. I'm telling you, it's the doggy mobile. So much shit going on in here about with dogs. Yeah, we traveling 18 hours. Gotta feed puppies every 3 hours or so. You feel me? Make sure they still gotta eat. Gotta clean them up and shit. Gotta feed her, take care of her. She gotta go to the bathroom. Without really getting in the grave. But I'm about to get some baby wipes so she can go to the grass so I can clean up and everything. I don't want to put me a cargo or nothing like that because we out here in territory we don't know. So she can't really be in the grass like that. I don't like that on me in my house. You feel me? Yeah. What's going on, man? We out here driving on the highway now from Dallas, Texas to West Palm Beach, Florida. Whelping Puppies, man. How many of y'all motherfuckers have seen this before, man? This is probably the first time ever, man. First time ever, man. Somebody driving this motherfucker dogs, man, in the backseat of the car, man. Real hustle, real player type shit. That's 3 of them. And there go the rest of the puppies right there, man. As you can see, and if you don't believe me, man, look, babe, over there driving right now. You see the highway? We on the highway. Where we going, babe? West Palm Beach, Florida, y'all. Nothing. In the West Palm Beach, Florida, man. Yes, sir, on that road, baby. That's what we do. I'll show y'all that we out here on this road. Hey, when y'all first time watching, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Tune in to the channel, man. We dropping videos do? T.O. representing BBK TV. We back, man. We done made it to Florida, guys. And check this shit out, man. Beautiful weather, man. Beautiful weather in December, man. December 5th, man. It's December 5th, and the weather is beautiful. It's amazing. It feels good out here, guys. I'm gonna try to put on some shorts and shit. I had on a hoodie and sweatpants, and I'm sweating, man. You know what I'm talking about? I had to come on up out of there. But check this out, man. Like I told y'all, we out here whipping this litter, man. On vacation, on the road, whipping the litter, dog. Check it out. Yeah, doing what I do, man. Yes, sir. In the back seat, man. In the back seat of the car, bro. Ain't no cap, bro. Ain't no cap, bro. Ain't no cap in my route, bro. I ain't got shit to lie to y'all about, man. Nigga really do this shit, bro. Real live dog breeder. As y'all know, man, I could have left the dogs at the house. I could have left them with somebody so somebody else can tend to them and leave it all up to them. And then my dogs die on them on they watch, and I try to be mad at them, got them feeling bad and all that. Nah, man, I took this shit into my own hands, man. This is my responsibility. This is my doing. You know what I'm saying? I signed up for this shit. You feel me? So it's only right that I make it happen, that I do this shit. You feel me? And I went out of the box. I took the puppies with me. You know what I'm talking about? Cause hey, I feel like this litter is special, and if they pass, man, I'd rather that shit don't happen on my watch, man. But I already know I'm gonna take best care of, man. They in the best hands possible. You know what I'm talking about? Ain't nobody else gonna care for these puppies like I'm gonna care for these puppies, man. All night been driving and whipping, man. Drive, whip. You feel me? So hey, I'm making sure that they eat and they get all the nutrients and calcium and everything they need. You feel me? From their mama, the vitamins, all that. You dig? So yeah, check them out, man. So we got right here. I'm feeding them 5. I like to split them up sometimes. So right now I'm doing 5 and 2. The two white ones, they in the box, and I ain't even try to do that on purpose. I just got to picking up dogs, and I realized like, damn, 2 white ones live. So yeah, so y'all see it got the good light, nice little view here with the natural sunlight. You can really see the colors on them. They standing out now. You feel me? As they get older, their colors will pop, start to stand out. They start to get their own look. Look at them tribe markings, man. TPC throw that color, bro. I'm telling y'all, man. TPC is a tri carrier, man. A color carrier. He gonna throw the rainbow every fucking time, bro. It's in his DNA. He was born to produce, man. That's another thing about TPC. This is why I got him, and I'm so big on him, and I believe and trust in him so much. He was born to produce. You know what I'm saying? Monaco, I bought him for her. She did this breeding just so she can get a female to produce. So she knew the males was gonna produce, but she really wasn't tripping on the males. She wanted females. So this litter was to produce. It was Louis V on top of Louis V. It was a line breed, inbreeding type. You know what I'm saying? Real tight blood. So I already know TPC blood is super tight on the top and bottom. So he gonna throw a consistent look. He gonna throw that color. He gonna throw all the characteristics that Louis V blood consists of and carry, because he got all that Louis V in him. He got Lil V, he got Louis V, he got Click the Free, he got Havoc. You feel me? So he got some of the best, and then he also got some of that Dax blood in there too. So, and then these dogs got Dax in them too, and Louis V in them as well. So it's all clicking up, man, all together. So it's just amazing, magnificent. You feel me? That's just what we do, man. You know what I'm talking about? I just gotta believe in the kid, man. I ain't none of them other channels, you know what I'm saying? When you come to this channel, man, you gonna really get what I tell you gonna get. You dig? I ain't gonna sugarcoat it. I ain't gonna hide it from you, you know what I'm saying? And you gonna be very pleased, man, with the results that come out from your dogs, man. I had 1 or 2 customers that wasn't really pleased, you know, but I made it right though, you know what I'm saying? I always make it right if the dogs will come out and meet his expectations, you know what I'm saying? We do have shit in place for that, man, so you don't even gotta worry about it. You feel me? Yeah, we just out here right now, just natural. Just feeding the dog, man, letting them get some natural sunlight. They feel good. What's up, boo?
What's up?
Letting them eat.
Is that the tongue?
Yep, that's his tongue.
Ooh, why it look like that?
It's such a cut. Yeah, it's such a cut. The head on the puppies, y'all. Can you move you in the sunlight? Got going on here, man. Bash, he at a convention center right now. Bash checking in, so we gotta wait on Bash. He gotta check in and register today for the games for this week, so he can be able to play. So once they get done with that, they're gonna do a walkthrough with the team, and after the team walkthrough, we're gonna pick up Bash and we're gonna go get something to eat, maybe hit the beach, something like that. You know, he ain't supposed to hit the beach, but we still about to go hit the beach. He ain't gonna get in the water or nothing, but we gonna go to the beach though. You feel me? Yeah, man. I'm TLCOBBKTV, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I just wanted to hop back on here so get y'all another clip, man. Us whelping the puppies on the road. Y'all feel me? I don't know. It's going down. Yes, sir. Catch y'all on the next video, baby.